Debbie, when I first met you, I remember you being a beautiful smile. But you were with your ex at the time. One night, you called me on the phone crying. And I don't know why, out of all of my friends at our workplace, I was the one who called. You couldn't find him, and you were worried about him getting into a fight. I was thinking, he's such a lucky guy to have such a kind girl. But like they say, love moves in mysterious ways. When you were single again, my papa bought one racing ticket of the Big Hero 6 movie. Luckily, we had two more extra tickets. So, I texted you and was already expecting a big no. But to my surprise, it was a big yes on the Big Hero 6 movie. So I was thinking, if you said yes to the movie, what else are you going to say yes to? You said yes, have your picture taken on a notebook, and to your surprise, that picture was for the frame and annual cake for your birthday. You said yes to go on a road trip, just the two of us. You said yes on an adventure like mountain hiking. You said yes to attend my younger sister's wedding, and because we were on our formal outfits, we went out to get our pictures taken. And the cameraman even thought we were already a couple and asked to have each other on different poses. That was the first time we had a warm hug, and I really felt the whole way. We said yes to one of our most memorable trip to Isla Llanos. And on the 21st of February that year, you said yes to be my girlfriend. And your biggest yes yet was this year, again on 21st of February, where you agreed to be my wife. My Jelly, thank you for saying all those yes. Thank you for making me the luckiest man alive. Thank you for welcoming me into your family and who are all so loving and caring. Right after this, I can just imagine the numbers of no's you're going to say. Despite all of that, I will never stop loving you. In good times and in bad times, in gray hair or black hair, or red hair, and in smooth skin or wrinkly skin, you are my new home and wherever I am.
Landro, you are my lovely who seems to know everything about this world. You always win our arguments and debates, never admitting its fault, and never stopping until I agree with them. Your quirks, surprises, and even your irritating habit make our life together special. I love you even when you turn nuts because you are my everything. Your excitement in life, eagerness to try new things, and desire to experience everything with me makes me feel loved. You support, care, and love me in your own unique ways. You are the yin to my yang and the sweetest blessing in my life. Our journey over the past 8 years has been amazing. We've shared so many wonderful moments of love and laughter. Your love has been the answer to show me what it means to be truly loved. Every day, I am reminded of how blessed I am to have you by my side. You are God's greatest gift to me. Our love story began in the most wonderful way as friends. We built a friendship on shared experiences and genuine connection. Never imagined we could blossom into deep love without saying. Despite our different backgrounds, our bond grew stronger with each passing day. You made me feel cherished, loved, and accepted me for who I am, regardless of our differences and status. I grew up without parents, and I'm thankful to Auntie Mary who raised me with love, cherished, and guided me even when life is hard. Today, I am equally thankful for your family for accepting me as part of theirs. There was not a single moment they made me feel unwelcome. I am very thankful for the love, care, and support. Now, I have a mama and papa I can call my own. I am blessed to have you all in my life. I promise to work for you and meet all your deserve if you want. Even I'm not confident about this. While I can promise to try new things with you because sometimes I don't have the same part of courage as you. I will always support you and cheer you on. I promise to stand by your side through every highs and lows, to love you unconditionally, to honor and respect you, and always be grateful to you. I will celebrate our successes and comfort you in times of need. I vow to be your partner in all things, to build a life filled with laughter, love, and adventure. Together, we will face whatever challenges come our way and by time. With you, I am my best self, and I vow to strive to be your partner you deserve every day. You have my heart and think of me.
Dear John and Shelly, now that you have received the Holy Sacrament of Matrimony,